Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. In today's video, we are going to discover how to make hot and sour chicken soup. So let's start first with the ingredients. 4 to 5 teaspoons of chicken stock powder. 300 grams boneless chopped chicken. 6 tablespoons of corn flour. 3 eggs whites. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Half tablespoon of black pepper powder. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 2 cups of shredded cabbage. 2 cups of chopped carrot. Salt as desired. 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 liter of water. Chili sauce as desired. Green chilies as desired. Vinegar as desired. Recipe. In a large pot, boil 4 to 5 teaspoons of chicken stock powder in 1 liter of water. When the chicken stock water boils, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, half tablespoon of black pepper, and salt as per your taste and cook for 5 minutes. After cooking for 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 300 grams of chicken to the stock and boil it for another 10 minutes on medium heat. After boiling for 10 minutes, skim off the foamy fat that rises to the surface with the help of a spoon. Now add 2 cups of chopped cabbage and 2 cups of chopped carrot and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then gradually thicken the stock by adding corn flour paste and stirring the soup slowly in one direction. After that, beat the white of 3 eggs and slowly pour it into the soup. Then add 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Pour the soup into a nice bowl and serve with vinegar, chili sauce, soy sauce, and green chilies. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, and share them.